Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Crazy Marcus here once again with a crazy video. In a world where technology gets more and more advanced every day, would it be possible to actually buy hot food from a vending machine? Now, I know it's sort of big in places like Japan and China. They have such machines where you can get like pizzas, burgers, stuff like that, which is quite crazy. But these machines are making their way to Benidorm. So join me as I take a look at one of these ferry machines and see if we can get a hot meal. Okay guys, so we're here. You've got some good options. Napolitana, York Riquesso, ham pizza, hot dog, burgers, burger queen, kebabs, just tons of stuff all ready to be made. That I believe is like a curry burger. I will translate it. I have got my phone out, so let's have a look, see if we can translate what it is. Secret sandwich and curry, secret of pork and curry mango sauce.
You're one then, eh?
That's what you're wanting.
Yeah, I'll have one then.
What, a number 17?
We still use money on this?
€2, 3, 17 is it?
Yeah. Has it done it?
I think so.
Some banging going on.
Right, now we wait. I think. Will it be hot for one, and will it be delicious? Gives you a little countdown there till you can get it. I think I'll get the nuggets.
You're gonna go for nuggets again?
Yeah, chicken nuggets. Yeah, if you haven't seen before, we've tried this and it didn't really go to plan, did it, Mike?
I think you got a burger last time.
I think I can't remember. Retrieve product. They are, Mike. Does that look like what you ordered? Is it hot?
Hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Does that look like what you ordered?
That's what the label says. You got change.
Oh yeah, because it was $2.50, wasn't it? Right, time to attempt to order mine. You want that, Mum? Sure?
Okay, Marcus going for the chicken nuggets.
Then maybe get an ice cream each afterwards if
Number 19.
there is one.
Come on, Marcus, let's see if we can do it.
Oh, they've removed the ice cream machine from last time we were up here. Right. Fingers crossed. €1 in. €2. €3. I think it does take card as well. number 19. It said the right price. It said the right price. I am hopeful. I am very hopeful. Other machines, you got one that does like pop and milkshakes. Oh, you can get a milkshake for €2.70. Cans of Monsters as well, like sweets and crisps. And of course your sweet machine with tobacco and adult stuff. But it's counting down. Will it be what I ordered? That's the worrying thought. Hang on. Please. Yeah, now. Oh my God, guys. Oh.
Do you know it?
I think so. Yes, it finally got the right order.
Well, we're going to sit.
Right, so we're going to find somewhere a bit quieter to sit.
I don't really want to go in the park.
Yeah, I don't exactly know where, but we'll go find somewhere. Guys, so we found somewhere a bit out the way to eat. Gonna get Mike's with you first. It looks
It looks like it's bits of pork.
yeah, just bits of pork, probably curry flavoured, maybe, I don't know.
It's not like it showed it on the.
Yeah, not like it were on the picture.
It's hot anyway.
Yeah, it is hot, I'll give them that. Right then, one nice big bite. Looks like it's decent sized bits of pork. Like, alright filling,
yeah.
nice soft sarny sandwich, however you want to say it.
Tastes like the Chinese curry type thing. My old.
But is it nice though? Is it something you'll maybe have again if we'd done this again?
One of them, if I was hungry I'd eat it, but I don't think I'll go out my way to choose it.
Fair dues. Right, I'm gonna get mine open, give that a try. Come in like a bag and like a box. Oh, it is quite hot. Sue's been to get herself a coffee. For some reason my bag's already half open. Quite greasy. So, no sauce on them like it did show. It did show like a pack of sauce with them.
Yeah, and stuff's the sauce.
Yeah. Don't look very appetising. I mean, on the picture it showed like you get a little tub of sauce, but I think they're just like cooked into them. I mean, decent size. Yeah, I think the sauce has been put on them already, but because they've been cooked, it sort of went like weird on them, but it don't really have the taste of barbecue sauce. But they're an alright chicken nugget, to be fair. They are quite nice actually. Got surprised by them and gone. A good amount of crumbs round them, good amount of chicken in them.
I think mine could do a bit more curry in. Got curry on the end bits, but the middle bit. Not curry on it.
Got Sue with us as well, just there. Say hi, Sue. Have you got that paper out with you? The hack to get free food from a vending machine. They are good chicken nuggets. Free always there. You'd expect a few more in there. I've had 2 already, I think. Maybe about 6 in there, 8 in there, but for 3 euro you'd have thought there maybe been a bit more in there or something, but hey ho, it is what it is. It's cheap, it's decent, and at least I got what I ordered. I think last time I ended up with a burger, which weren't that nice, but these I got delicious.
So yeah, overall, would we do it again? Yeah, I would. I don't think I'd have this again. No, I think I'd go for the burger.
Waiting.
About 5, I think.
Fair dues. I'll give the nuggets maybe about an 8. They are nice, but it's just the fact the sauce is cooked into them. Like you would have thought maybe surely they'd put the sauce in like a little additional tub or something. But still, if you're feeling a bit peckish, like you know where they are good. And sadly they've got rid of the ice cream machine. I were looking forward to getting myself like a choc ice or something. But hey ho. €3 for mine, $2.50 for Mike's. You can't really complain, can you?
Price.
I mean, if you're homeless as well, like, you get a couple euro coins, like, you can get a hot meal, can't you? Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. Stay tuned for more content. Subscribe to Benidorm at Mike. And yeah, we'll see you all next time. Adios.